Let me guess. You've tried everything to lose fat. You've tried low carb. You've tried intermittent fasting. You've done more cardio. You've even skipped meals, hoping your belly would shrink. But here's the truth. If you're a man over 40, none of those things will get you to 15% body fat unless you follow a very specific set of rules. And I'm not talking about shortcuts. I'm talking about a system designed for your body, for your hormones, and for your life. In this video, I'm giving you 10 rules that will get you lean, strong, and feeling like yourself again. And all of this without feeling like you are dieting 24/7. I'm Coach The King. I help men over 40 lose weight, rebuild muscle, and get their confidence back, all without gimmicks. And everything I share here is from real coaching experience, not theory. If you're serious about dropping body fat and keeping it off without destroying your joints, without destroying your body, you're in the right place. And a quick heads up before we continue. I'm opening up a few private coaching spots this week. If you want my help building your body back in the next 90 days, there's a link on the description of this video. Book a call, let's talk. Let me understand what your problems are and then explain to you how we can get you results in 90 days. No pressure, but spots are limited because I actually coach you myself. I don't outsource it to some random assistants. More on that later. Let's get to the 10 rules. Rule number one, get ruthlessly clear on 15% body fat. This isn't about looking like a cover model. 15% body fat is the sweet spot. You look lean in a shirt. You've got visible muscle. Your waist is down. You sleep better. You move better. You feel like yourself again. And most importantly, you are healthy. Very healthy. No more blood pressure issues. No more joint pain from carrying extra weight. But here's the catch. 15% don't just happen. You need clarity where you're starting, where you're going, and what daily actions are needed. Track your weight weekly. Take weekly progress photos and then measure your waist because that tells the truth. Rule number two, cut calories intelligently. Starving yourself doesn't work after 40. You need muscle more than ever before, and muscle won't survive on bad food. So we don't crash the calories, we trim them strategically. 300 to 500 calorie deficit, max. Eat high protein meals, moderate carbs, and healthy fats. Focus on satiety, not deprivation. This is about fat loss, not weight loss. There is a difference. Rule number three, train like a man, not like a boy. You're not 25, and that's actually a good thing. Training in your 40s is about stimulation, not annihilation. You don't need 2 hour sessions. You need 4 workouts a week, 45 to 60-minute tops. Build it around compound movements, moderate to heavy dumbbells, control tempo, safe but challenging progressions because your joints matter, your form matters, and recovery matters more than ever. Rule number four, eat protein like it's your job. Protein is not optional, it's the engine of your transformation. Aim for zero point 0.8 to 1 gram pound of goal weight. So if you want to weigh 180 pounds, you need around 150 to 180 grams of protein every day, every meal, every day. It's going to stabilize your blood sugar. It's going to support recovery. And it's going to preserve your muscles while you burn fats. If you're worried you won't hit that, I'll give you a free list of best protein-rich foods and supplements for men over 40. Stay with me till the end, and I'll tell you where to get it. Number five, focus on meal timing, not just calories. Meal timing matters, especially over 40. Skipping meals can backfire by slowing down your metabolism and raising your cortisol. Instead, aim for 3 to 4 structured meals per day. Again, prioritize protein at every meal. When you're eating carbs, make sure you put them around your workout timing. Avoid big meals late at night. This keeps your hormones balanced, it keeps your energy high, and your appetite under control. Rule number six, walk like your life depends on it. You don't need a treadmill. You don't even need a gym. But you do need to move. Walking is the most underrated fat burning tool. Set a daily step goal. 7 to 10K steps. Do it while you're on your phone, while walking after meals, or during your lunch break. It improves insulin sensitivity, it improves digestion, it improves recovery, and it burns fat without stressing your joints. Number seven, manage your stress, or it will manage your belly. Cortisol is real, it's not just a buzzword. Stress jacks up your appetite, it stores fat in your belly, it ruins your sleep, and it kills your drive to train. You're over 40. You can't push through like you did in your 20s. Here are some daily practices that can help you. 10-minute walks outdoor, breath walk, cold showers, limiting screen times at night. You don't need to meditate for 2 hours. Just control the chaos. Rule number 8, prioritize sleep like it's a workout. Sleep is your sacred weapon. No sleep equals no testosterone, poor recovery, more cravings, more fat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of deep quality sleep. Do these 3 things. Keep your room cold and dark. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Set a fixed sleep and wake up time. If you want to burn fat, go to bed early. Number 9, track your progress, not just your weight. Listen, the scale lies. Muscle weighs same like fat. If you're getting stronger, your clothes are fitting better, and your belly is shrinking, you're winning. That's a fact. That's a fact. So what should you track? Track your weekly waist measurements, progress photos, your gym performance. That's how men win with data, not emotions. And number 10, you need a plan, not a wish list. Here's the hard truth. Most men have goals, but no plan. You want to be 15% body fat. That requires a real strategy. Meals that fit in your day. Workouts that match your schedule and joints. Accountability to stick with it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. And if you're tired of guessing and you want to follow a proven plan built for your body, I've got you. So there you go. 10 rules every man over 40 needs to get to reach to 15% body fat. This is how my clients are doing it. Real guys with real jobs, with families and busy lives. If you want me to coach you personally, apply now using the link below. We'll work for 90 days and get you results you can see and feel. Book a call, let's talk. Let me listen to what's been holding you back and then tell you how we get you where you want to be. And don't forget to grab a free supplement list, all science backed, safe, and designed for men over 40 who want better testosterone, fat loss, and joint health. It's all free. The link is in the description of this video. And hey, if you got value from this, hit the subscribe button. Share this with your brother or a friend who needs to hear it. We're not just losing weight, we're taking our lives back. This is your channel. This channel is your home. Copy that and see you on the next one.